What's up, y'all? It's Andy from North Alabama Adventures. Gonna do a little roadside challenge today. So in my backyard, I got a pecan tree, and I've had a ton of these, I think they call them webworms. So I thought I'd get a few of those for some bait. And we're gonna go down to one of the creeks down here on the side of the road, and we're gonna see what we can catch. Y'all stay tuned. So this here will be the steed for today's roadside adventure. Modes of transportation. Get a little cardio in while I'm fishing. Very nice. Alright guys, so I pulled up to the spot here, and there's already fish swimming down there, so we're gonna go ahead and get a line in the water, see what happens. Hey, Total. Yeet. Got him! It's a pretty little fish. Dang it! Alright guys, we got another one, a little small one here. Anyways, show you what I'm doing. So I've got a little lure right here, not a lure, but a little caterpillar, nibble, bobber, simple. Jackin these Jones! Jackin these Jones! See, if y'all hadn't noticed, there is a ton of traffic on this road, and a lot of people goes by this spot every day. Probably has the same thought that I do. There's got to be fish in there. So, if you are one of those people that travels down 2nd Street every day, maybe going to work at Constellium or something, there is fish over here. There we go. There we go. We got him. We got him. Nice. So, I mean, you know, I think I mentioned, I mean, these are small, super small fish, but I mean, hey, we're catching fish. Not anything compared to those big smallmouth that we caught in the last video. But these guys right here, good looking fish. Beautiful. And it's, like I said, just on the side of the road here off of 2nd Street. Right across from the airport almost. Adios. Hope you enjoyed that roadside challenge. Jacked a few jaws, got a few bluegill. Had a good time, that's the most important thing. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your buddies. Sure would appreciate it. Get them to subscribe to the channel as well. Help me out a whole lot. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Till the next adventure, y'all have a good one.